Why did you have Tallent Roofing of Chattanooga install your vinyl siding?
Well, they came and gave me an estimate on the roof, and while he was here, I asked him about the siding as well, and he told me that he could get somebody to do this for me, a subcontractor. So he brought me samples, and we discussed which colors and which kinds of siding. So once he told me this was the particular siding he would put on his house if he were doing it, I figured he knew more about it than I did, so I took his advice, and that's what I got.